Hello my lovely friends. कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? So friends, I'm shooting today's video in Manali because I'm on vacations with my family in Manali. So I'm shooting this here. Okay? So friends, आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं the lives of an average person and an inspiring person. Yes, हम में से सभी लोग यही चाहते हैं that they should inspire the others, they should inspire the society. Nobody would want to become an average person. To do this thing, we need to understand the basic difference between these two categories. So in today's video we are going to discuss about that only. So if you're interested in this topic and would like to know what all these things are, then I would request you to please watch this video till end to get the best out of it. So let's start it. Welcome to Mindyology, the platform for skills, lifestyle, and career development. I'm your host and host Deepak from Team-Mindyology. So let's start today's video. So first we talk about the daily schedule, or the thing about an average person. So friends, if you are an average person, if you are living a life of an average person, you tend to wake up at 7 o'clock. 7 बजे आप उठते हैं, daily routine का आप काम करते हैं, नहाना धोना खाना पीना, whatever your daily stuff, you're going to do that. Then after that you straight away leave for the office, or in today's scenario whosoever is working from home, they work from home. They work till 4, 5, 6 or 7 o'clock, whatever is their schedule. The moment they get free from work, they just want to do their own things. Maybe somebody is busy in the watching web series, Netflix and movies and stuff like that. Then they do that thing till 8 p.m., 9 p.m. Then they have their dinner, then probably doing some gossips and things and spending time with family or something. And then by 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock, they do all the other stuffs which is not very relevant, and then they go to sleep. That is how a normal day or a regular day of an average person, spends like that. They do spend their day in the same fashion or in the same routine always. Now let's talk about the day or the regular day of an inspiring person. They wake up at 5 o'clock, and I've discussed this in my other videos also when I've talked about what is the benefit of waking up early in the morning. So yes friends, if you wake up 5 o'clock in the morning, you have enough time for you to do your stuff. So they wake up 5 o'clock, they do all the stuff, meditation, yoga, all other things. By 7 o'clock they are ready for their office. Maybe they're going to the work or they're doing work from home, and from 7 a.m. till 9 p.m. they are on that inspiring mission. Means they are doing their regular work or job or business, whatever they're doing. At the same time they work for their side hustle, they work for their own dreams as well. So they're not just doing the regular stuff and then going back to watching the web series and doing all the stuff and then eating food and going to the bed eventually. No, till 9 p.m. they work rigorously like that. Then they have time to spend with the family, maybe reading some book, maybe doing a walk or anything. Then by 10 o'clock they are off to bed so that they can again wake up early in the morning next day. So that is how you do that. Because if you have the skill, or if you have the priority and the zeal and the will within you to manage your time for doing your things, then only you can do the inspire things for others. Then only you can inspire others, then only they can take lessons from you. If you yourself is just wasting your time, then nobody is going to get inspired by you. So if you want to achieve success, growth, and achieve our dreams in our life, then it's very, very important that we should understand these basic differences and the schedule between these two categories: an average person or a person who is inspiring others in the life. So friends, I hope आपको ये चीज़ें समझ में आई होंगी, आप भी इन चीज़ों को इन्वाइट करेंगे अपनी लाइफ में, and you will see the desired results. So if you found this video useful, helpful, then please do share it with your friends, family, and colleagues so that they can also take help from this video and move ahead in the life. And if you love the content of the videos of Mindyology and you like us, then please do subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest update from us always on time, my friends. So it's time to take leave from all of you. Before I leave, I would say please do share your feedback, suggestions and comments into the comment box, or you can write us at infomindyology@gmail.com and let us know what you think and feel about Mindyology. And if you want us to make videos on your choice of topic, that also we can do for you, my friends, because it's your own channel. It's time to take leave from all of you. We are also leaving from Manali in another 1 or 2 hours. Then we have a bus to catch at around 5 or 6. We are going straight away to visit few places like Kullu and other places. Then we catch a bus around 6 o'clock going back to Delhi. So the next video definitely would be in Delhi only. So till then we meet. I really wish you a wonderful and a blessed day ahead. Bye bye.